So welcome back my friends, and in this video if you have any Samsung model like A series, F series, M series, S series, means if you have any Samsung model and your Samsung model is logged, means your Samsung model is FRP logged, means you can't remove your Gmail ID account detail from your any Samsung model. So in this video we can show you how can you easily remove without any computer, without any using any software tool. You can easily remove your Gmail ID account credential from your any Samsung model. So let's start this video without any time wasting. So friends, you can see that this is the smartphone, and your smartphone is completely logged. Because of that you don't remember your Gmail ID account detail. So first of all you have to go back to the home screen. After that you have to change your language firstly, and this is the language changing option. So you have to select your English United Kingdom. Okay, after that you have to click OK, and after that you have to click emergency call option. This is the emergency call option. When you open it, your emergency call option comes on your mobile screen. After that you have to type a code here, and the code is *#9* 333 691 and #, and you have to call this code for once only. After that you have to connect your data cable to your Samsung smartphone. Okay, when your charging is started, you have to go you have to take another step here, and you have to type a code again here. The next code is *0*#, and wait for a while. After that a new page prompt comes on your mobile screen. After that you have to take 3 steps here. The first step is you have to open your red option, means you have to click on red. After that you have to tap anywhere to go back. As usual you have to click green option here and tap anywhere to go back, and finally you have to click blue option here and tap anywhere to go back. After that you have to go to the home page, and here you have to also again change your language to English United States and select OK. After that you have to click your start button and configure your smartphone as usual. So after that you have to click agree to all and click agree. After that you have to click more and click agree. After that you have to take another step here. So you have to click next button here and wait for a while. This method is working or not, we are checking. And friends, you can see that this method is not working well, so I am going to use a second method to unlock this smartphone. So go to the next below back button. After that you have to again click back, and you have to turn off your nearby devices. This is the nearby devices option. So you have to click turn off and click agree. After that you have to click setting option here, and you can see that you have to turn off your auto reconnect option. Okay, and again you have to click it and wait for a few seconds and click to back button here. After that you have to click setting option again, and you have to turn on auto reconnect here. After that you have to click back button here and tap add network. After that you can see that this is the setting option here. So you have to click it, and when your Samsung keyboard setting comes on your mobile screen, you have to take some important step here. First of all you have to click auto replace, and you have to turn off this option. After that go back, and again you have to click text shortcut and click add here. Okay, this is the add option, so click here. After that you have to type a message here, and the message is skip FRP and expand phrase. You have to type NONAVAIL. Okay, none avail, and click add. After that you have to go to the back button here. After that you have to go to the last option. This is reset to default settings. Click it, and you have to reset all both options here. So click the first and click reset here. On the second option you have to do the same thing. Click erase button here. After that you have to go to the last page. This is the first page. After that you have to open your emergency call option again here, and you have to type another Google FRP removal code, and the code is *#333 *97031 and *#. You have to remember this code, and you have to call this code for once only. After completed this step, you have to wait for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, and go back to the home screen. After that you have to again change your language to English United Kingdom. Okay, after that click OK and do your configuration. So click start, agree to all, and click agree. But in this page you have to turn on your nearby devices, so click it to turn on. After that you have to click agree, and you have to click next and wait for a while. And you can see that, my friend, this in this page you can see that the skip message comes on this page. So you have to simply click the skip option here. This is the skip option, so click it and again skip, and click don't copy here, and your Google FRP lock is removed. So you have to click again your confirmation to a skip. Click a skip again, and you can see that the Google FRP code is successfully resetted from this phone, and you can choose any new password locks. So in this time I am going to click a skip here, skip anyway, click OK and wait for a few moments. Click next, click a skip, again a skip. If you seriously want to unlock your any Samsung model, so you have to watch this video properly till the end, only able to unlock your smartphone. So click it agree, click allow, and disconnect your data cable in this time. After that you have to select your preferred setting and do the all things as you see here, setting your preferred option. Click continue, install, finish, and all done, my friend. You can see that this smartphone is completely unlocked from this method. If you can't unlock your smartphone now, so you have to comment your Samsung specific model, so our team will reply within a 5 to 10 minutes, and you will be also able to unlock your smartphone. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.